We've made a decision about the cows. You remember that we had purchased 3 pregnant cows. And we shared with everyone how much better they were doing. Also, that all 3 cows had healthy baby calves. Oh, and that we purchased a bull. Well, with 7 cows now, we've decided we're running a little short on space for all of them on our little 8 acres. They came from a farm that didn't have enough grass to feed the herd, and we really didn't want to repeat that scenario. So we bought a farm. The area we plan to release them into is about 20 acres, I think, and there are 2 ponds on it. The grass is high, but so are the weeds. Look at all that room to roam. If anyone has any guesses as to what this is or could have been used for, please leave me a comment below. Both sides seem to have been pushed toward each other, perhaps with a bulldozer or a tractor bucket. To me, it looks like it could have been used maybe to water the animals, or perhaps catch water for some reason. One end even looks like it has almost like stairs made of rock. Or maybe it was for dipping the animals. We don't really know what it was for. What do you think it could have been used for? The first time we brought our grandsons to the property, they had so much fun. They were climbing in the deer blinds, on the deer tripods, the hunting stands. We saw a small herd of about 7 deer and wild ducks, along with lots of deer feeders and other places that boys could just get lost with adventures. The creek and all the wildlife here made it so much fun to just ride around on the property and exploring. The sand in the creek will be fun for playing in the water. It really gets hot here in the summer. What youngster wouldn't love to have a creek to play in? I'm sure the boys could spend hours and hours out here with their guns, their bows and arrows, target practicing, climbing trees, and no telling what all they could find.
Oh, he made it. He finally made it. Jump, Ethan.
Yeah, jump.
That's funny.
That's fun.
That was funny.
And then there's the hay bales. Some were left here when we purchased the property. Right now I could see them climbing on the bales, playing a game of hide and seek, or at night when it's dark telling ghost stories, picnics, bonfires, frogs, fireflies, snakes, turtles. There are a lot of weeds, and we know we'll have to contend with those. And some are quite pretty. Some may help repair the soil, like this crimson clover. We know they all serve a purpose, but we hope maybe someday we'll be able to move here. Then we could try rotational grazing. We've heard really good things about that. And it'd be fun to see if we could get the dirt back to soil so it's worth growing things in. Aw, look, there's a lily. Right here's another pond. We were told that it's stocked with fish. And with the trees around one half, and plants, mostly grass it looks like, growing around the other side, it could be a really great place to sit and fish. I personally think this part of the field could make a great garden. Plenty of space for the chicken coop, my compost bins, possibly even fruit trees. It's fun to dream. I know what you're probably thinking. Believe me, our kids are thinking we're crazy too. You two are over 60 years old. What in the world are you thinking? Starting a huge orchard and garden at your age? You'll die out there all by yourselves. I think we ought to just go for it. I want to thank you for spending your time with me out here on our new piece of land. And I hope you enjoy this little tour. I hope you'll join me again next week at Double N Farm. Oh, maybe we should change that to ranch. See you next time.